Welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle Dunham with eXp Realty here in Delaware. I just wanted to get on here and show you what a $250,000 home, which you can get in Wilmington. And you can always call me. All my information is in the description at the end, and you can also set up a Calandy link. To set up a consultation. And of course, if you want a private tour, get in touch with me. So let's start. So here's the front of the home. And then you walk in and it's an open floor plan. Here's the steps in the kitchen, the closet. A nice open floor plan. The living room, it looks like the dining room. Open, a nice area to the kitchen. And look at the kitchen, it's beautiful. It has a nice backsplash, a center island. I love the backsplash. Looks like a gas stove with a microwave on top. And there's another view of the kitchen. Just beautiful, just beautiful. And that looks like a little room off to the kitchen, like a sunroom. You could put chairs out there and look out the window. Nice bathroom with the finish, nice and airy and light. View of the bathroom. It looks like a bedroom, the first bedroom. The second bedroom. I like that. And then there's another bathroom. Like I said, it's 1.5 bath. Yeah, I like that. And then you see the area down the steps. It looks like another bedroom. Nice and open. Nice ceiling fan. In the basement. And yeah, so I just wanted to get on here and give you a quick tour of this beautiful home. And this home is listed by my partner, Jemima Chucks. And if you want to, like I said, have a tour, you can get in contact with me. I'll leave my information in the description. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check back in. I'll be having more videos that you can see of homes that you can get in Wilmington for under, well, this one is $250. I'll do a variety of homes that you can ask me, like, oh, Michelle, give me some homes that I can get for $300 or under $270. And also, I'm here for you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.